Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about the generation right here from year 2015, 16, 17. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse guys for the airbag system, SRS system also guys, also known as airbag module fuse, where you can find it. We'll explain about that, but consider this entertaining video only. This is not a how-to video. Why? Because if you're not qualified and certified, airbag systems can kill you guys. So do not do anything. Okay, this is just for entertaining purposes guys. Quick reminder for any of you that know how to work on airbag systems and are certified to do that. Quick reminder, often you have to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before removing, disconnecting airbag components, even fuses. You can minimize that way the chance for something to explode guys, but it's still there. Another thing, it's very important to know which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn the electronics modules and that can be really expensive. We have a special video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first. Also, we will talk where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. So the airbag fuse guys, SRS airbag fuse, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that 2017 Toyota Camry. You will guys have 2 fuse boxes in this car. We'll be working both of them and we'll need to check 2 fuses. First fuse box is on the driver's side. Open the door. Looking under the dash above the pedals on the left side, all the way upside down. If you look under the dash, you see one white cover. Open it. Right there you will see a fuse box layout that will look just like this one under that white cover. Now, but before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the SRS airbag module fuse, where you can expect to find that fuse. Here, if you come, you count fuse number 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. That fuse right here is 31 will need to be checked. Then you need to open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side, you have another fuse box under this cover. Open it, you will see that layout here. Let's zoom in quick. Now here you will need to check one more fuse, and this is fuse number 37 right here. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.